Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I'll be going over why the Santa Claus rally is here. I want to talk about Tesla, which is up 7%. We finally hit that mental number 1000 that we have been talking about in our latest video. I also want to go over QQQ channel, and again I'm still in on those contracts. We're up already 60% buying in at the bottom on QQQ. And then I also want to go over SPY, and then we'll have Amazon. And overall, just looking very, very bullish going into tomorrow and going into next week. Now, keep in mind that Friday we have a day off because of Christmas. So just please keep that in mind. Now, I want to start off with QQQ, okay? Because again, I'm in QQQ calls. I alerted it, made a whole video on it. Now, we got in at the bottom, which is very, very nice. Now, I'm only in 2 contracts. Now, as I said, the first price target is going to be the resistance over at 396. So if we do gap up, I will be looking to really sell out one of my contracts because, again, we got a very, very far and long expiration on QQQ, so we could sell one off and then overall leave the other one at break even. Now, this is very, very important because we're very much overextended on QQQ, and especially since, with the Santa Claus Rally, we're looking to actually break this trend. But I really want to just secure that gain. Selling at the resistance. So this is very, very important because you don't want to be getting greedy. And overall, we're up 3 days in a row. We got to be taking in those profits, like we did with Walmart. Walmart had, like 5 days in a row. We were green. We had to take in, at least close out most of our positions. And I'm only holding one runner now for Walmart. So that is very, very important going in for QQQ, that we actually sell out half of our position at our first price target because we can definitely expect a pullback. Now, the next thing I actually want to go over is Tesla. Okay, Tesla had an incredible breakout. Again, I made a whole video on this, so it is very, very important that you guys watch the whole video and you guys really study up. And this is a very, very in-depth video. Now, Tesla broke out and it's up 7%. Now, the question is, it gapped up at open. Should I buy it or now? Now, personally, I didn't even play it. I didn't even wake up at a market open. But this is a very, very important strategy that I want to show you guys. If you guys are thinking that, Tesla is just running so much, I have 2 contracts, when should I sell? If we actually look at the 5-minute, the 9 EMA is a very, very nice indicator. Now, I've used this indicator a lot. Basically, whenever we break below the 9 EMA, that is a very, very, strong sign that we're going to be getting a pullback on the 5-minute. So 9 EMA is going to be a very, very important level to watch, as well as the VWAP. I did make a video on VWAP, so make sure to kind of check that out. But whenever, something is pushing, or Tesla, for example, broke out, this is a very, very important strategy. So to keep in mind, to know when to actually sell. And I've used this strategy a lot before. So Tesla, overall, we finally did hit that 1000 mental number. We also got a lot of news that Elon Musk is actually selling shares. I would really not worry about that because, again, that is all for taxes. So just please, don't let the FUD get into you. I also want to talk about how Tesla actually hit 1 trillion market cap, which is huge for Tesla. So I thought that was pretty interesting for Tesla. 1000 mental number and potential stock split, but again, that is all a hunch. Now, Tesla was great. Let's talk about Amazon. Looking for a breakout tomorrow at a market open. Now, Amazon broke downtrend. We closed below. Okay, so it's looking very, very nice. Now, Amazon is another one of those stocks where it's just expensive. I don't want to play it. I'm not going to risk it, just like Tesla. But I really thought to point this out because if we actually take a look at Amazon, we take a look at the bigger picture, again, that 3,500 is a major resistance for Amazon. And if you guys are not in a long-term position for Amazon, now is really the time to get in because Amazon is such a great stock, in my opinion. I'm in those spreads, and you guys can always play shares. But Amazon has been consolidating, for literally months now, for a year now. So Amazon, it's just going to be a very, very nice play later in the future. It's just going to be a lot of patience. Now, at open, I also want to, just watch the 5 minutes, okay, when we do break out, and always watch the 9 EMA. Okay, the 9 EMA is a very, very, very nice level. Even if we look at the Amazon 5-minute chart, we could see, a lot of these bounces off the 9 EMA. And then we also have the VWAP, which is a little bit messy. I would just stick with the 9 EMA, but this is a very, very important strategy to know to when to actually sell. Now, the question is the Santa Claus Rally here? Okay, is the Santa Claus Rally here? And in my opinion, I think yes, it is here. We have the QQQ downtrend channel breakout. We got a perfect dip buy. You don't want to be buying high. You want to be buying low. And our dip buy off QQQ was insanely amazing. And, that was such, we had a lot, we had a lot of confirmations going into that. We have talked about volume. We had a lot of confirmations. We even look at SPY. The indicator called off that very, very nice long signal off the 100 EMA, which is another nice level to watch for SPY. So I really do think the breakout is here. We can even take a look at, chart out, for example, SPY, and we're forming a potential ascending triangle, which just looks absolutely nice. Now, I really do think tomorrow is going to be a very, very bright green day for the market. And if we actually take a look, I really do think it is going to be a very, very bright day for the market. And I really do think we can actually break this out for SPY and for QQQ. But you just got to be cautious. You got to be buying low like we did with QQQ, or like you did if you did play Tesla. But you got to be playing it very, very safe. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm making a ton of content. I just got a new setup. I'm actually recording in a Mac because I'm actually heading to Florida. So I'll actually be recording on the beaches, and I'll be sending behind the scenes on, a later video. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just leave a like. This video took me a ton of time to make. I also got in a lot of equipment like my mic. I just got this computer because I'm traveling out to Florida. But overall, very, very simple video. A lot to digest, and please watch, every single video. I teach out something new. And, this video, you might have learned about the 9 EMA. So it is very, very important that I'm going over this because, again, it's all free educational content, and please use this at, your own risk. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys tomorrow at Market Open. I might stream tomorrow. I'm not too sure, but bye-bye.